Hello everyone. So today we will be focusing on building a workflow by making use of a video intelligence TwelveLabs MCP and with the AI generated video content assets which you can generate via Sora 2, VO3 and other video generation tools which are there in the market at this moment. So we'll try to understand first what are the various ways where you can optimize or be more productive when you use TwelveLabs MCP with the AI generated assets, and how does it help you to make the production ready assets for maybe social media or for the personalized advertisement. So let's have a look and let's configure first this MCP. So go to the installation guide here. And as soon as we get to the installation guide of TwelveLabs MCP, you see there are various tools and resources which are available. So here you can see video index management, video indexing, and also like embedding creation. Also after like having like indexing, you can also do search, analysis. So there are like lot many features and tools, and you can connect it to any of your preferred MCP client. Here we will be focusing on Claude desktop. So you can just copy this snippet and we'll just go to the MCP config of Claude and we'll just paste here. Do make sure that here it needs your TwelveLabs API key. So you need to go to the TwelveLabs playground, create an API key from there and paste it here so that whatever the action you are making here, whether creating an AI generated assets, you can just store it there and also can run multiple operations on it, like analyze or for various purposes. So yeah, here we'll just get the snippet and now we'll go to the Claude. So now we are at Claude desktop and now we'll see how you can connect the TwelveLabs MCP. So you can go to the settings from here and manage connectors, then developers, and here edit config. As soon as you click on the edit config, the file of .json gets open. Okay, so here you can see MCP server is empty at this moment. So we can just copy, paste the snippet. And here we get the snippet. Now I will get my API key here and the MCP will be ready to be used in the Claude desktop. Now, like the TwelveLabs MCP has been connected and configured. Now we need to focus on configuring the Sora to MCP so that you can generate the video on the Claude desktop itself. So you can just get to this repository and there are like lot many features you can make use of: create videos, remix videos, video status, and other file handling or video handling on the Sora platform. So all type of things can be done. It's very easy to configure. You just need to clone the repository and just do npm install and it gets configured everything and you can just run the server from there. Here is the Claude desktop configuration for this Sora to MCP. So you can just copy this and we will just gonna paste this there, or we can just, we already have the configured as MCP server, so we can just have the internal content to be copied and here we'll just paste it and it got configured. So if you see, it just likes the args absolute part to Sora MCP. So this is where it's downloaded. So you need to change this, then open API key and also the download directory of where the downloaded asset should go. So these are all things which needs to be configured. Here I have already configured my TwelveLabs API key and yeah, and now we are set. So I will just get all the credential here and then we'll see how does it look like in Claude desktop. So here I just reopened the Claude desktop and now you can see here I have TwelveLabs MCP configured and Sora server 2 also as configured. So if I just see the Sora 2, we have like create video, remix video, video status list, download, save, delete. So all other operations. And in TwelveLabs MCP, you can see there are a lot many stuff as creating a video index, listing videos, delete, get, also like search, retrieve, and text from a video. So there are like a lot many operations which you can run. So now what we want to do, let's say we want to make a personalized advertisement for shoes. Okay. And we need like multiple clips. So we'll generate like multiple clips as per like, let's say we want to make an advertisement of a 30 or 35 second by merging all the clips. Second is, as soon as the clips gets generated, we'll do the indexing and then we'll run the analysis on how to make a sequence or what would be better for an advertisement or how to make use of it. And then running an operation on it as an actionable operations, which for which like you can make use of the command of the Claude desktop itself. It writes the FFmpeg operations, or you can make use of VFX MCP or any other MCP to run an action on it. So let's say at this moment we want to do it for shoes. So please do generate a 8-second for 5 clips of 8 seconds for an advertisement of the shoes, showcase the person wearing it, and the camera should only pan at the shoes, and it should be from different angle and different um, features to showcase the durability of the shoes for tracking, to generate the video compulsorily. And here we'll provide the video with the image path of the reference, so that the shoes I'm providing, the product which I want to create an advertisement of, it should focus on that itself. So okay, we'll just provide the path here. So the path. So now it started writing the prompt. Let's close a vertical shot of a rug tracking the vertical user intent clip one showing shoe sole and thread. Okay. So first clip is been sent for the generation. Now the second one, side profile view of a so different angle, and also you don't even need to focus on writing that multiple prompts to create the multiple assets. So it's so easy, you can see. And like I guess 5 clips are a lot actually here, and also 8 seconds. So we'll have a look like how does it look like. But yeah. So now all 5 video has been sent for the generation. Now we'll just need to wait a bit to check the status about that. And it also provides, okay, why, what the, so as I mentioned about like each of the clips should showcase the feature of that. So it's like sole and tread pattern, heel counter ankle support. So there's a like everything that will be needed for an advertisement. And here, these are all the video ID which has been sent for the generation. So this can be used for the tracking of the videos, whether how much progress has been done during the generation, whether the video has been generated or not, what's the status around it. And this ID would be used for downloading the video locally. So we'll need to wait for a bit. So here, what I'm mentioning is like do check the status whether it's done or not, and as soon as it's done, then do consider that video ID to download it as per the download directory which we have provided. So let's see. So that there are 2 other tools in the Sora to MCP. One is to check the status, and second is to download it. So it will run that. So if we see the response of it, it's completed, you can see. But I guess it will provide the response like cumulatively after doing for all the videos. The second video is in progress. Okay, so it means like it's taking a bit of a time. And so the third one would also be in. Okay, third one is completed. Okay, there is no sequence kind of thing. Okay. Okay, this is also completed. Okay, only one of the video is still in progress. And here it wrote the output path, but okay. So now all 5 clips have been downloaded, and also it just made a good naming convention, and it's in just my download folders. So the thing is, like I mentioned, it in a very different way of shooting it in a different position. So it focused a lot on that part. So now what we need to do is we need to do a brand check. We need to see whether it's consistent or not, whether it's good for an advertisement or not, because we need to make use of it as a brand check, whether the brand is going good or not, or whether there is inconsistency while generating a video. This is the first thing which we will gonna do. Second is we can generate the metadata as camera positions or activity, and all the metadata can be generated with the TwelveLabs. Third is what action needs to be done, like what editor should do, how the advertisement should be made for a good engagement, or for which type of an audience, which type of an ad, as in the proper flow of the ads, and also that could also be provided as per the provided assets by TwelveLabs. So for that, we just need to do is indexing. So please do the indexing of all the videos, and then to run the analysis to check whether the videos are appropriate for the advertisement and good to post, or is there problem or any inconsistency with the brand check. Here, one thing you can notice is while generating the video itself, I didn't mention Sora 2. I have not mentioned here TwelveLabs, but it understands it very well. So here, it creating an index at this moment, tracking shoes ad campaign. Okay, nice. Allow. And now the indexing will start, and it just got the path and the index ID from the index which has been created here. So this, and now it will do for all 5 videos. As now all the videos has been sent for the indexing, so we'll and then the video indexing will be done, and then we can check the status, and then we can run the analysis on it for various purpose, and then we'll see like what all you can do with it, and how the video intelligence helps you to work around with the content creation. Now we will have a look at the status. Also, we haven't looked at the video yet, but we'll look it directly to the TwelveLabs platform. That would be easier. Okay, let's have a look at what's the status of indexing. Okay, it's ready. I guess all the videos would be ready at this moment, but yeah. And then I will also open the TwelveLabs index so that you can see all the videos at there itself. So yeah. So you can see how easy it is, like generating and doing indexing without even writing your own program kind of stuff, or your own application, and you are doing a custom thing. So at this moment I am making an advertisement, whether you can make anything or perform any other action, maybe having a vlog, or if you have, let's say, only the raw videos, not even the generated ones, you can use the same workflow here. If you see, it's ready. Yeah, so all the videos are indexed here. So now what I will do is I will also open the TwelveLabs index so that you can see the video and the actions that we will be providing on it. So now here you can see these are all the videos which got generated, the 5 videos as we told. The thumbnail is different. The video inside is different. Here it just listed the TwelveLabs video index so that it gets to know, okay, all the videos are been there or not. And now the analysis will run. So it just takes the video ID and with the open-ended as analyze the advertisement video for tracking shoes, evaluate if the shoes properly showcased with clearly visibility, is the video quality of professional suitable for advertising, are there any visual inconsistencies? So it analyzes very well here because we just wrote a few things to analyze it, and now it just wrote a very comprehensive prompt and doing a very better way of brand checks. This is one of the part which we can use. There are like lot many functionalities that we will be looking to, but yeah. So it will run it for all the videos. If you want to have a look at the videos, by the time you can have a look here.
The hits so your feet don't have to. Double-soled rubber toe cap takes the hits so your feet don't have to. Double-stitched leather and a rock-ready outsole deliver lasting protection and grip, whether you're scrambling up shale or step.
So you can see like it's very accurate to the input reference that we have provided.
Terrain, built for vertical terrain, the deep multi-directional lugs bite into rock for unmatched grip. A wear-resistant rubber compound adds long-term durability, keeping...
For some of the part, I guess it's just a static it just created as a static frame and doing a changes also as per the prompt or as per the instruction.
Aggressive lugs bite into rock and soil. Engineer.
But it have a whole dialogue itself, like the whole of a voice and all, everything is there. So okay, 4 of the videos is been done. If you see, there are like a lot many responses, but we'll see it together as soon as all the videos have been done. So it says as this variety is beneficial of having multiple perspective. Some videos show person wearing shoes, other shows close product shots, and brand consistency and everything is there. At least like the all the shoes reference are the same here, and also the audio you listen is very much appropriate as per the content. So as per that, it's suitable for various media. Like it's checked for okay, Instagram maybe goes 8 second, ideal for reels, and all the analysis has been done as per that. Now let's say we want to store it somewhere. We have like, let's say many video assets which has been generated, let's say more than 40-50, and in that the searchability becomes the tough stuff. Here there are a lot many stuff which can be done is I can do search like which is the video which focuses on the heels or ankles. So it will suggest in that way. So this, you can also do the search in this way, but the second way you can do is getting the metadata to be generated. So you can prompt it here as do generate the metadata for each video, or let's say for one video at this moment, for 2 video at this moment. So 2 videos having the angle, shot type, feature, and do add more so that the rich metadata can be generated. So now it's writing angle, shot type, feature, duration, product focus. There are a lot many things you can ask for. Color grading. Now it will do it for all the videos. By the time it's generating, we can have a look at the whole flow of how you can use it as an agentic stuff. Here we see we connected to the MCP client here. We use the Sora, the tools, we did index creation, video indexing, and we are doing an analysis at this moment. Now, the last step that we will gonna do is the VFX MCP, and we'll also see how you can configure the VFX MCP and do the action, or we can just do it like a very minute actions you can do as an understanding of trimming the clip. So here TwelveLabs will guide you, okay, which part you should trim on, how to merge it on, what should be the real alignment of the videos, as in sequence of the videos, so that can be done and you can perform the actions on it. So this is the whole flow that we want to achieve as in workflow. And here it did the analysis. In the right side you can see, and this is all the information it created. Here in the response, it's the whole of the information here. This is like a lot of metadata actually. Okay, so you can just get all this metadata. You can just incorporate it into your videos with if you're working at like local folders, so you can just store it there so that if you want to do a searchability after some time else, so you can make use of it. Now, as I mentioned that we need to focus on the agentic stuff. The other stuff which you can do is taking out the uh, transcript of that or exact timestamp based transcript, and you just change it to any other languages so that you cater the most of the like global languages as in multilinguality, and then you just merge it to or just provide it as a caption on the video itself with the help of any other MCP tools. So that is also one of the things which you can